This is Monday, the first day of December 2025. I can't even imagine that I'm in December 2025. Happy New Month to you all. All right, quickly, I really want to give a background of this video so that people will not misunderstand me. I was born and brought up from a Catholic church, so my family is a Catholic family. I have lived with a Reverend Father. I have served in the church, and I have done so many things that is Catholic related, even going to their schools. So I know Catholic Reverend Fathers to be noble people, very good people. All of them that I have met, both the one I live with for over a year, they are very good people. But in this video, I want to talk about the lying bishop, Bishop Mathew Hassan Kukah. Bishop Kukah lies too much, and I spot it out not the first time, not the second time, not the third time. And these are intentional lies. You know, someone can say something that is not true. It doesn't concern me. I won't even say it's a lie because maybe the person don't even know the truth. But when you lie intentionally, it hits me hard and it pains me, especially when you are someone that people are looking up to. Talk less of a bishop of a Catholic church. You do know what a bishop is? Anytime I see my bishop, I'm talking about Bishop of Ise local diocese, then Michael Odogunendoe, you know, the kind of respect we give him. So when I see Bishop Kukah lying intentionally, I started asking myself a question. Are these people the same bishop? Is it the kind of bishop I know that Bishop Kukah is transiting himself to? Now, this is the issue here. In the year 2020-2021, both Amopeta, the present INEC chairman, I was following them very well. So I know these people not because they came to public light. Amopeta, I've been following him since. I knew him because of issue of Christian genocide. Bishop Kukah, in the same manner, 2020-2021, they were pushing for international intervention and response to Christian genocide in Nigeria. Bishop Kukah. In 2020, he was everywhere saying that there is a Christian genocide being perpetrated by the Fulani militia. And if you go to different international community, because he's a bishop, Catholic bishop, including Vatican News and all those, they publish what Bishop Kukah said about Christian genocide in Nigeria. That is in the year 2020. Like this one again was published in August 7, 2020. You understand? ACN International. Systematic violence against Nigerian Christians by Fulani herdsmen constitutes genocide, according to a leading Catholic bishop who stressed that Muslims are also fallen foul of the violence. Do you understand? He was pushing that this thing is genocide, despite some of the Muslims are also fallen for this violence. Or this violence, they are targeting Christians. Then Amobita, you saw the document that emanated from his office. The document was shared across all the whole world. And what was the document all about? There is a Christian genocide. Now, fast track to on the March 17, 2025, Tinubu appoints Kukah, Kaduna Federal Varsity Pro Chancellor. Tinubu appoints Bishop Kukah as the Federal University in Kaduna a Pro Chancellor. That was in March 17, 2025. March this year, he was appointed by Tinubu's administration. Now, fast track to a few months after he was appointed, he changed his mouth. And this is Bishop Kukah now. Bishop Kukah rejects claim of Christian genocide in Nigeria. How do we get here? No, how do we get here? How do we get here? You see, anytime a religious leader, a pastor, a reverend father, imam, associate himself with politicians, the person will lose guard. The person will not know his left from his right. And that is why today, the governor of Benue State, because they threatened him that he's not going to come back for the second term, a reverend father, he changed his mouth. He changed everything he was saying before. This is the same man who indirectly pushed the names of people who are sponsoring killing in Benue State, who are in the Senate. He indirectly pushed it to the international community. He came to Chinese television. He came to AIT to say that they have concluded judicial panel of inquiry that senators are doing it. The book, the copy of this thing, I have it, but I understand it is confidential. He came to the national television to say that they have concluded a panel of inquiry that senators are buying weapons and killing people in Benue through the Fulani militias. That is what a Reverend Father said. But fast track, after he was warned not to say that again, the same man just comes out to say there is no genocide in my state. Because of appointment? At the detriment of your people who are dying? What nonsense is this? What nonsense? Now, you see, the reason why Nigeria is so confusing, and I myself, sometimes Nigeria is confusing me, is because Nigeria did not deny now that there is no targeted Christians after the pressure in the US. They accepted. But they also say that other people are dying, even though, yes, we agree now, they are killing Christians, but other people are still dying. This is their position in US recently. This is what they are not going to tell you. Nigeria literally accepted the claim of Donald J. Trump. Now, the issue here is that why people are ranting in Nigeria, no Christian genocide. People have followed your back to go there and sign documents and agree that there is, and permit America to come to Nigeria. And a lot of people are still here saying there is no Christian. What do you mean? If you have never said that there is a Christian genocide, it's a different ballgame. I would say this is your position, no problem. Do you get me? My anger now at this moment with Bishop Kukah, my anger now at this moment with Reverend Father Ndeya Hyson, is not because of their stand. They have right and they have reasons to say that there is no Christian genocide, according to them, not according to me, because you can't convince me of otherwise. So if actually this has been their stand, I don't have problem with them. There are a lot of people who are saying that, so I don't have problem. But the issue I have with them is that you can't convince the whole world that there is a Christian genocide happening in your country, only for you to take a political appointment and make a U-turn, a Catholic bishop. You know, religion is one of the problems we have in this world. Major one, religion and politics. If they tell me that Bishop Kukah will change his mouth, I said, I am not hearing, I am following you. I've been following Bishop Kukah. I read his books. When I mean I'm following someone, I follow you like everything you are saying, I'm hearing it. You make a U-turn and say there is no Christian genocide. Let me repeat this. My anger with Bishop Kukah is not because he said there is no Christian genocide, even though we know there is. But my anger with him is that he was pushing this thing that there is Christian genocide. Why suddenly making U-turn? That was the problem Mike Arnold had with Reno Mokri. Reno Mokri was pushing that there is a Christian genocide. Fani Kayode was pushing that there is a Christian genocide. Tinubu was pushing that there is a Christian genocide. But Tinubu, Fani Kayode, Reno Mokri, Bishop Kukah, Father Ndeya, because of oil money, because of Nigeria oil money, he made a U-turn. Are you kidding me? He made a U-turn. These people made U-turn and said they didn't say what they said again. But you know what? We understand the ballgame. We are media. So anything, you see, internet is very dangerous. Let me tell people, be careful how you lie. Internet is very dangerous. So if you say something before and you are now coming out to make a U-turn, making another statement, telling people there is no Christian genocide again, after you must have convinced people. I mean convince people. You publish so many documents that said that there is a Christian genocide. You even said that these Fulani militia are the one committing the genocide against the Christians. And after appointment, you made a U-turn. Anyway, the reason why I'm saying this is because I want to set the record straight. I'm not saying this because I hate a Reverend Father or I hate pastors or no. That is why I started by telling you my relationship with Catholic Church, my relationship with Reverend Father. You understand? So I see them to be good people. And that is even what pains me more. That is what pains me more. Like someone or some group of people that you have trust with. Like these people are good people. They don't play politics. They don't do this. But you just see them changing. Let me use the word. It is a heartbreaking. You understand? It is a heartbreaking, something to see. It's not good. So I encourage Bishop Mathew Hassan Kukah to understand that he is already about 70 years. There are some things you will not do at that age. There are some things you will do at that age because plus and minus. You are about 10 years closer to your grave. It is only God that knows when someone is going to die. So it is time to set your record straight. It is time to make sure that your path is pure. All these political gimmicks and all this controversy you people are creating, it is going to consume you people. Not many days hence from now. You see, I published a video yesterday. The video of Sani Yerima, who was the main sponsor and architect of Sharia in Nigeria Constitution. And his mission statement reads, you heard him saying it in that video yesterday, that it is the ambition of all the Muslims in Nigeria to turn Nigeria into a Sharia state. So it's so unfortunate that Bishop Kukah have now joined them by lying. Father Ndeya have joined them by lying. Will it go well? It's only time will tell. I am Okocha Marcel, a conflict and insecurity reporter. See you on my next video.